Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new user account in Ubuntu system. So there are basically two ways. The one way is that you can use the terminal to create the user and give the administrative privilege, or you can just go to the settings and go to the systems, and down here you can see this users. So click on it. So now choose to unlock this and type your user password. And down here you can see the option to add user. You can just type the username. So to give the administrative privilege, you can just check this button. So with this, you'll be giving the extra abilities to that user. So you can choose the password right now, or you can choose the password where I log in for the first time. So let me choose the password for now. So now choose to add. So here we go, this will do the work for you. So you can just close this and sign out to your current account. So now you'll see the username you created. So just click on that and type the password you created. So that's it, you are welcome to Ubuntu with your new user account. So in this way you can create a new user in Ubuntu without using terminal. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll make such video if you like, share and subscribe my channel. See you guys in the next video. Until then, signing out.